Barnett Tech Park, and it shows you Conduent, Vistaprint, and Advanced Call Center Technologies. Those are the buildings that are currently here. The Barnett Tech Park, located in Montego Bay, Jamaica, is around 5 minutes from Montego Bay's port and 10 minutes from the Sangster International Airport. It is an area designated for companies in the business process outsourcing (BPO) sector. Businesses in the Barnett Tech Park are exempt from tax and duty on all imports. Vistaprint, and all these buses parked in the parking lot, I assume, is to carry the staff. The security guard post further down there. And here it is. Let's have another look at Vistaprint. Right. I'm not going to be walking onto anybody's property. Just stay on the road. So you can see the walk to this area. It's not really bad because it's 11 minutes in. Mind you, I'm kind of walking slow now that I've entered Barnett Tech Park. So if you do a speed walk, it shouldn't take you very long. If you did a speed walk, yeah. So the construction going on. Wow, that is a massive building. Massive. You went there expanding? You're not sure? Oh, okay. When I come back up, I probably ask one of the workers, know if they will answer me. Beautiful. Hi. Can I ask you a quick question? I'm interested. What the expanding Conduent over here? Is it Conduent that expanding? Oh, so it's another. Oh, because it's not attached to Conduent there, so. Oh, all right, cool. Thanks. Massive though. Lord. Hi, hi. Nice. All right, so they're having taxis enter here, bus enters here, enter here. So they have a taxi section for the what? I love this. I love this. Hi. Am I talking loud? Okay, so this is like a bus park. Buses enter here, taxis enter here. Nice. Oh, nice. Oh gosh, I love that. It's good. So they plan on really building out this area, and also it is not an extension to Conduent, because I think this is Conduent here, and as you can see they have NCB ABM, and this here, that green building over there, is Conduent. And then the other building is across from it. Alright. And then I'm going to assume that this is ACT. Yes, no, maybe so. Yeah. And if I can't take down the umbrella, you know. So over there, that's Conduent. This looks like ACT. So let's go all the way down to the end so that you can see the entrance of the other building. But they eat some food or cook some food where smell good. So that's Conduent, and this is the other building. I love this. I really love this. And I guess over there is where other places, the rest of Barnett Tech Park, and where other places are, other things are going to be built. So this is it. This is it, guys. Beautiful. All right. So all of here, possibly going all the way back, is the Barnett Tech. Nice.